Okay, today we're out in Stanmore. We're going to be cleaning a patio. So we're going to be doing a bleach clean. So we're doing the back here. So we're doing at the back, around here. We're going to be bleaching all of this stone and making it look good. So we've got the GX there. So we'll be doing all this. Okay, you can see all the black lichen marks in there. So we're going to be doing all around here, around there, and also over here, trying to make it look good. So this is the before, and then we'll come back and we'll show you the after. Jet Wash Drives, looking good. Okay, so we're about halfway through. Just done the first pass before we get ready to bleach it. And so on, so you can see all the marks are still on the floor. So obviously pressure washing is not going to get that off, so we need to put the chemical down and give it a good scrub in, and then we'll be done. Okay, so end of the day, Jet Wash Drives, and have a look at what we did. So I did a little complimentary clean of the pathway here, and on the back, there you go.